Once upon a time, in a small village lived a playful boy named Chimpoo. Chimpoo was very smart, but he had one bad habit: he never kept his room clean. Toys, books, clothes, everything was scattered in his room in a mess. One day Chimpoo's grandmother came to the village. Chimpoo loved his grandmother very much. As soon as he saw his grandmother, Chimpoo ran to her and hugged her. Grandmother lovingly stroked Chimpoo's head and then turned to go to his room. Grandmother was stunned to see the state of the room. It was as if there was a storm of toys there. "Hey Chimpoo, what's the state?" Grandmother asked. Chimpoo shrugged his shoulders innocently and said, "Grandma, it's all fine. I'll clean it later." Grandma was a little annoyed with Chimpoo's carelessness, but she teased him and said, "Chimpoo, even a mouse won't find a place to live in your room." Chimpoo laughed and said, "Grandma, the mouse will find a lot of food here. Biscuit pieces, chips packets, all these are kept for it." Hearing this, Grandma started laughing even louder. She explained to Chimpoo that diseases spread due to dirt and rats also live in dirt. That night, while sleeping, Chimpoo heard a strange sound. He woke up with a startle and saw a small mouse gnawing at his biscuit packet. Chimpoo screamed, "Mouse! Mouse!" The mouse was startled and left the biscuit packet and started running away. But clothes and toys were scattered all over Chimpoo's room. Due to which the mouse got stuck bumping into things here and there. Chimpoo started laughing. He remembered what his grandmother had said. He thought, "Oh wow! Grandma was absolutely right. Even the mouse did not find a place to live in my room." After this, Chimpoo realized how wrong it is to keep dirt. The next day he spent the whole day cleaning his room. He put away his toys, put his books in the cupboard, and also took care of his clothes. When Grandma came to the room in the evening, she could not believe her eyes. The room was completely clean. Grandma hugged Chimpoo and said, "Well done Chimpoo. Now even a queen can live in your room." Chimpoo smiled happily. He now understood that keeping clean not only keeps diseases away but also makes living a pleasure. Moral: this story teaches us that we should always keep our surroundings clean. Dirt not only spreads diseases but also makes living a problem. So friends, this was Chimpoo's story. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, then do like it. Also share it with your friends, and if you want to see such interesting stories, then subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever a new video is released.